Okay, today we're looking at a certified 2015 Honda Accord LX. It's got 30,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's obsidian blue pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it's got the nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome door handles. Driver's side looks good. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape on the exterior of this Accord. All right, once again, it's a certified 15. All right, it's got 30,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape on the outside. Let's take a look on the inside. Got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have gray cloth seating. All right, driver's seat is in good shape. No problems there. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat cloth looks good. All right, it is an automatic. It's got your power outlet and USB down there. Let's go and take a look in this center console. Got another power outlet there with some with a loose change holder. Okay, got some storage right there. Right, got your dual climate controls. AM/FM CD player. It's going to have your display screen right there with the radio and whatnot, and the backup camera will be there as well. Steering wheel audio controls with Bluetooth. All right, and then you got your econ button right here. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 30,262 miles on it. Now that we got it started up, go ahead and show you the home screen here, or the display screen. All right, it's got your audio right there now, but you can change it to current drive, clock, wallpaper, history of the trip. All right, so we'll just stick with audio here. Okay, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and then once again, got your AM/FM CD player. All right, got your dual climate controls here. Got those turned on for you. All right, AC is blowing nice and cold, no issues there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Carpet back here is in good shape. All right, back seat cloth. Looks like nobody's even sat back here. Well taken care of. All right, this vehicle on the outside and the inside is really nice. No issues at all. All right, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. But it's well taken care of. Inside of this vehicle smells great, looks great, well taken care of. All right, got the plastic protector mat back here. Got your jack and your spare tire underneath there. But I'll step to the side. You can really see how much space you got in the trunk of this Accord. All right, plenty of room. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 16-inch alloys. All right, tires are still in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2015 Honda Accord LX, 30,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.